in me to make me more like you. King of kings and Lord of peace.
What's up, you guys? Back again with another video for this channel. So in today's video I will be taking down these mini twists of mine. As you guys can tell, they are a hot mess, and I'm not trying to go rasta on you guys. I'm not trying to do locks, so I'm about to take them out, and I've had them in, it's been going on 1 month if I'm not mistaken, 1 month, and it's time, the time has come for me to take them out. So stay tuned.
You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take those pretty eyes away from me.
Take a good look at them, because after a couple of hours they will be gone. So let me warn you guys, my hair is extremely dirty, extremely dirty, and I believe that I have some new growths as well. But look at it, you guys, look, the hair has unraveled by itself all through the hair. Yeah, the hair is literally telling me it's that time to be taking them out. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do is, well, what I did is, I have my spray bottle. I went ahead and I put some conditioner inside of this spray bottle. So this is my first time using this conditioner. It is the Cowash VO5, and when I saw it I was like, whoa, I have to go ahead and give it a try. So this is my first time using it, and it smells so good. It smells really fresh, really soft. It has like a gentle smell to it. So yeah, so I've placed, of course, with my water, and mixed it together, give it a good shake. And this is what I'm gonna be using to help take down those twists, to help take down the knots. So of course I'll be starting from the back of my hair. Put up the rest. Put up the rest in a ponytail, well, in a high bun. So I'm gonna start with this one. And the first twist. It's really matted up, you guys. Look at this. Yep. And that's it. Well, kind of. That's kind of it. Whew. Unleashed. So of course I'm gonna be taking my Unbrush brush, and I'm gonna clear it out. And that's it. One down, and so many more to go. But that's basically it, you guys. I'm gonna proceed, and I'm gonna come back perhaps when I'm halfway through. I'm gonna come back. Okay, you guys, so this is me after 1 hour. You guys, this is exhausted. I am so tired, but I am pushing through. Let me show you guys how much twists, how many twists I did. So this is it. The whole back of my hair is now finished. Whew. Look at my hair, you guys. My hair has grown so much. Look at that. This is amazing. Whew. 1 hour. 1 hour. So now I'm about to attack the front portion of my hair. I believe it will take me another hour. I'm gonna go and do that. And then I'm gonna come back and let you guys see the ending. So let me show you guys. I still have this amount to get done. I still have this amount to go, and then I'll be back with the finishing results. OMG, look. Ooh. Okay, you guys, so I am finally finished. Oh, it feels so good to have my hair back. My hair is unraveled. This is the outcome. Child, you have a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair. Okay, we're gonna get into how much hair I lost. So this is what it's looking like. My hair was really dirty, you guys. Really, really dirty, as you guys can see. So this is the amount of hair that I lost. It's not a lot for me. I find that it's not a lot for being twisted up for 1 month. I didn't lose a lot of hair, I find. And what helped me the most, you guys, was my Unbrush Brush. This thing did such a great job in detangling my hair. As you guys can see, it is running straight through. This is such a great tool to have if you are a natural hair girly. You need to get this brush. Look at that. I am so happy that I finished. It took me about 2 hours and a half, you guys, to rip out all of this. Whew. And that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, I am so happy. As you guys can see, my edges are still intact. I have to go and get me some natural castor oil to put mostly on my edges. I won't be applying castor oil to my hair because my hair is so thick already. It is growing so beautifully, but I'm a buy some castor oil for my edges, because as you guys can see, my edges, I have edges, but I love edges that are full and that are not healthy looking. So I have to go ahead and get some castor oil. But this is it. This is the results, you guys. If you guys love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments for me down below. Let me know if you love mini twists, and how do you go ahead and take out your mini twists. You guys saw in the beginning I put some conditioner with water and I mix them together, and that's what I use all over my hair. and it made the process easier. It helped me so much. And what helped me was this Unbrush Brush, you guys. So after taking out one, I went ahead, after unraveling one, I would comb it out and I would do everything, and at the very end, this is my result. So next step is to next step is to hop into the shower, but that's another job. That's another job to come. So I'm just gonna enjoy my hair out. Oh, my scalp feels so good. And this is something what I was telling one of my colleagues. You have to give your natural hair balance. Sometimes it's necessary to put your hair in a protective hairstyle, but then the other times you have to leave your hair breathe. So you have to leave it out. You have to leave it breathe. And this is something that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to balance my hair. Like, let's say if I put my hair up in a high bun one day, the next day I'll have it out. So yeah, this is my goal. I'm trying to balance my natural hair. And yeah, so this is it. So leave some comments down below for me. Let me know what natural hair video you would like to see me do next. Let me know. Talk to your girl. Let me know. And thank you so much for viewing this video until the very end, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
From you, I need more of you, Lord, you.